Welcome to BEHR Presents How to Paint a Ceiling. This is a fun project, but it's also one that can be more physically demanding. Don't worry, we'll walk you through each step. Here are some things that you'll need. If you notice that your ceilings have a textured finish, you'll want to use a longer nap roller. Check out our website for more info. For this video, we'll show you how to paint a smooth ceiling with a 3/8 inch nap roller. Using your painter's tape, tape off the places where the ceiling and the wall meet. Remove those vents. If you have any stains on your ceiling, don't worry. You can simply paint over them with a BEHR stain blocking primer. To make sure you're able to showcase the color you've chosen, you'll want to make sure that there's as much natural light in the room as possible. Pat the brush against the side, don't wipe. Start cutting in. Using your brush, paint in and along the tape. It's time for the fun stuff. Grab your roller and fully saturate it with paint. Just make sure that you've already attached the extension pole. Paint away from one corner in as straight a line as you can until the ceiling is completely covered in paint. If a second coat is needed, apply it in a perpendicular direction. While the paint is still wet, remove the painter's tape and once it's all gone, replace the ceiling vents. Take some time to wash your tools with some warm, soapy water and enjoy your new ceiling. For some other great projects you can do at home, check out our newest BEHR how-to videos.